Nutrition facts and health benefits of bananas. Banana fruits are among the most important food crops in the world. They come from a class of plants called musa, that are native to Southeast Asia, and are grown in many of the warmer areas of the world. Bananas are a healthy source of fiber, potassium, vitamin B6, vitamin C, and various antioxidants and phytonutrients. Nutrition facts. One medium-sized banana contains about 105 calories, most of which come from carbs. Fibers. Bananas are mainly composed of carbs. Unripe bananas may contain decent amounts of resistant starch, which functions like a fiber, promoting colon health and healthy blood sugar levels. Vitamins and minerals. Bananas are a significant source of several vitamins and minerals, especially potassium, vitamin B6, and vitamin C. Potassium. Bananas are a good source of potassium. A diet high in potassium can lower blood pressure in people with high blood pressure and has positive effects on cardiovascular health. Vitamin B6. Bananas are high in vitamin B6. One medium-sized banana can provide up to 33% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin B6. Vitamin C. Like most fruit, bananas are a good source of vitamin C. Other plant compounds. Like other fruits, bananas contain several healthy antioxidants, which are responsible for many of their health benefits. These include dopamine and catechin. Health benefits of bananas. Bananas may be beneficial for heart health due to their high amount of potassium and antioxidants. Digestive health. Unripe bananas contain decent amounts of resistant starch, a type of fiber that may promote colon health. Adverse effects and individual concerns. Bananas are generally considered healthy. However, high intake of well-ripened bananas should be avoided by diabetics. An evidence-based nutrition video from our experts at Authority Nutrition.